Hello, today we will be looking at pre-processing statement. Now here we will be starting program as it is stdio.h, and pre-processor statement we are writing as hash define. You can give any name to the pre-processing statement. Here I am giving maximum because I want to find out maximum from two numbers. So here I am using ternary operator. If A is greater than B, if condition is satisfied, return A. If condition is not satisfied, return B. And then we will be writing the main program as like this. So here I am considering two variables, x as 3 and y as 4, and then I am taking one variable integer answer, and I am calling here this max function by passing value of x and y, and then I am printing this value of answer, that is max, whatever answer written by this max function. Now these are called as a pre-processing statement. So when we actual program is executed, your compiler will replace this max calling statement with your actual statement, like integer answer equal to a is greater than equal to b question mark a colon b semicolon. Now a is considered as the x and b is considered as y, so it will replace this as x is greater than equal to y question mark x colon y semicolon. Like this it will replace, and it will execute the program. So while executing the program, this will become 3 is greater than equal to 4 question mark return 3 colon 4. So your compiler will check whether 3 is greater than equal to 4, condition is not satisfied. So here at time of execution your answer will become 4, and this printf statement will now print your answer as 4. So 4 is a maximum. Okay, now this is very simple question. I have written this over here also. Now in exam they might give you, instead of this a is greater than or equal to b, they might give you a is greater than equal to b, question mark a plus plus colon b plus plus. So this part may be replaced like this. Okay, so now what happens internally with your compiler? So this statement now it will become this as integer answer equal to, instead of a, now it will take as a x is greater than y question mark x plus plus colon y plus plus semicolon. So now this will check whether 3 is greater than 4, condition is not satisfied, so it will go to the y plus plus. Y plus plus means use value of y, so value of y is currently 4, so this will make answer equal to 4, and it will increment value of y, and value of y becomes 5. So here in this printf statement, if you have used the statement as, suppose if it is like this, printf percentage d x comma y comma answer. If we have written the statement like this, generally in exam they give you statement like this. So this will give output as value of x as 3, value of y as 4, and value of answer as 4. This y plus plus, it returns value of y to the answer and then it increments value of y. Okay. Now similarly, if you have query regarding this, you can WhatsApp me on this number or you can mail me at patilsangram@hotmail.com. Okay. Similarly, I have tried here one more question, which is a simple question. So this now statement answer equal to, this will replace like integer answer equal to x plus y. Now here the most important part is, now a is your x plus y. Now a is your x plus y. So this a plus a, it will become now x plus y plus x plus y. Like this it will become. Now here, just a minute. Okay. So this will become now 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. So your answer become now integer answer equal to 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. It will become 14. It won't modify value of x, y and z. So this will print your printf statement will give you in this case answer as 3, 4 and 14. Now this is very easy, but in exam this a plus a might be given like a plus 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 a plus plus, like this. Now confusion occurs here. Check what will happen. You tried, you pause the video, you tried and then again you continue. So this will become now integer answer equal to x plus y is your actual a, but now this becomes x plus y plus 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 x plus y plus plus. Like this your statement gets replaced, and now here your value of x as 3 and y as 4. So here this will become now, this value of x is 3 plus this value of x is 3. It doesn't make any difference. There is no problem with this. The problem comes with y. The problem comes with y. Here y plus 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 is afterwards, so it will take this as 4 and 4. So here y plus plus indicates use value of y and then you increment value of y. So this will become 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 as it is, it will become 14. This plus plus increments value of 1 by 1 and this plus plus again it increments value of y by 1. So when it comes to the printf statement, this will print value of x as 3, value of y as now 6 and your answer as 14, because your plus plus increments value of y. Okay. Now we will discuss about if it is plus plus a plus 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 a. Your a plus a, if it is replaced like this, what will be the answer? Now pause the video, you solve it and then check the answer. So this will become now integer answer equal to plus plus x plus y plus plus x plus y. It will become like this. Initially value of x as 3, y as 4. So first of all it will solve plus plus. First of all it will solve plus plus. This x plus plus, it increments value of x by 1, it becomes 4. This plus plus, again it increments value of y by value of x by 1, it becomes 5. So this becomes 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4, so it will become 18. And now this will print answer as value of x as 5, value of y remains as it is, and your answer is 18. So the most important part to understand this is you must know how your plus plus in pre and in post works. Like if it is x plus plus, how it works. If it is y plus plus, it means if it is present after the variable, how it works. If it is before the variable, how it works. So first here it uses value of y, it calculates the answer, and then it increments value of y. Here plus plus is before variable, so it increments first value of x and then it uses for the calculation. If you have any doubts, you WhatsApp me on this number, or you can mail me at patilsangram@hotmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me at 976 444 0326. Now this very interesting question. Instead of add now, I am doing multiplication. This your statement, your original statement is replaced like what we have written here now. We have written a into a. So our original statement replaces as integer answer equal to, just a minute, I have done one mistake here. So it must be like x plus y, sorry, it must be like x plus y. So this will become, now I am sending here, now our a becomes x plus y. Our a is now x plus y. So our equation becomes x plus y multiply by x plus y. Our equation becomes x plus y multiply by x plus y, because we are sending value of a as x plus y. So here our value of x is 3, value of y as 4. So this becomes 3 plus 4 multiply by 3 plus 4. Generally this is correct. Yes, everything is correct. So it solve first multiplication. So this becomes 3 plus 12 plus 4. Now this will becomes 15 plus 4, and this will become 19. So now this our state answer becomes print value of x as 3, print value of y as 4, and print answer it will print as a 19. Okay. It won't become like x plus y. Generally what students makes x plus y is 7. 7 into 7 is 49. What they consider as a 49. Okay, but this case is not there. It will replace this a with your actual statement mul x plus y into x plus y. So it will make multiplication first and then it makes the addition. Now the interesting is, if this statement, if it is written like this, a plus plus multiply by a plus plus, how it will execute now? Very interesting. So now this will make our statement as integer answer equal to, now our a is x plus y, so this will become x plus y plus plus multiply by x plus y plus plus. Okay, now here value of x is 3, value of y as 4. So this will become now x is 3, y is 4 multiply by x as 3 and y as 4. So this will become as it is, as a 19, but it will increment value of y 2 times because of this first time and because of this second time. So now this will give you answer as x as 3, y as 6 and answer as 19. Now the next part, if we have used plus plus a multiply by plus plus a, how it will react? Now it will react it like integer answer equal to plus plus x plus y multiply by plus plus x plus y. Here initially value of x as 3 and y as 4. So this plus plus increments value of x by 4. This plus plus increments value of x by this plus plus increments value of x by 1 as a 4. This plus plus increments value of y as 4, and now this becomes x plus y multiply by x plus y. So 5 plus 4 multiply by 5 plus 4. If you solve this, it becomes 29. Okay, and this will print now answer as 5, value of x as 5, value of 4, y remains 4 as it is, and answer as 29. Okay, so this is regarding the preprocessor statement. Very important topic for the exam point of view because it is very confusing topic. Check this. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me on this number 97644403226, or you can mail me your query patilsangram@hotmail.com. Okay, thank you. All the best.